What's up, y'all? It's your girl Kiamani, and I'm back at it again with another video. Now, I did get sent a 22-inch lace front straight wig from Megalook, and it is bomb. Now, in today's video, I just want to show you how I got the ombre look. So I started off by starting to put the bleach at the very top of the hair, in the roots and in the front. I used to start in all the way in the back, but I did figure out that if I wanted to do a better ombre look, or if I want the hair and the front to process first, obviously I need to process that first. So I'm slapping this bleach on, and I do let it sit in the roots probably about 10 minutes longer than I did for the ends. So I'm just trying to move as fast as possible because I don't want to damage the hair. And I can say, after all the bleaching that I did do, the hair is still bomb. I didn't even have this on for long, and the hair already started to turn colors. If you look closely, you can see it's brown at the ends and it's blondish in the roots. I did use a 40 volume developer with the L'Oreal powder bleach, and once I rinsed that out, I let it, well, I blow dried it. I only bleached it once because I really like how it came out. Then I just decided to pluck the hairline. I do find that it's a bit way easier to pluck something when it's actually wet. So now and then I'll, spray it down with some water. But when I blow dried it, I tried to keep the blow dryer away from the hairline just because I knew that it's better to pluck when it is damp. But you do want to make sure that you aren't plucking a lot while the hair is wet, because once it dries, it's going to be a lot thinner, and it's just really easy to pull the hair out when it's wet. So you want to make sure you don't pull out too much. Since we did process the hair, you want to make sure you are spraying it down with some heat protectant when you are applying heat. And I am using my same old turn up the zone heat protectant from Sally's. That's $8.99. And I am going to take the straightener and straighten the hair before I throw some big bomb body curls in her. Didn't even have to apply that much heat to get this hair to do what I wanted it to do. I didn't want it to be so fluffy in the curls, so this is why I did straighten her before I threw the curls in there. And as you can see, I pinned curled her so pretty. I'm slapping her on, and I am going to install her how I usually do. And I'm going to let her sit and marinate so she can melt into the scalp. After you let her sit and dry for about 15 minutes, you want to check and make sure you don't have all that hair sticking to your face, and just take your pin curls out. If you are going to comb out your curls, I would definitely recommend you doing it with a wide tooth comb, or even your fingers, depending on the look that you are going for. So that's why I'm combing her through. But I really just went for a cute body look. I didn't even necessarily want the curls. I just wanted a lot of body. And here is the final look. She came out so pretty, and I feel like this color on my skin tone is just so bomb. So if you did want to try this out on your own with this same wig, everything on her is going to be linked in the description box down below. Thank you so much to Megalook for working with me. I love you so much, and I'll see you in my next one. Mwah.